What's going on, guys? It's Stock Picks by Tim, and in this video I want to go over Cleanspark. We just got their mining update, and I'm also going to go over some levels on the chart. And if you like my content, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. It definitely helps me out there. And let's look at Cleanspark. So first off, I wanted to show you this post from Cleanspark talking about the mining disrupt, and they talk about last year. Well, they met Lancium last year and Sustainable Bitcoin Protocol, both highly valued Cleanspark partners today. And they go on to say that they made connections, even more like-minded Bitcoin industry experts and leaders. So you got to remember, last time they went to this mining disrupt, they partnered up with Lancium, they partnered up with Sustainable Bitcoin Protocol, and it seems like they're still trying to stay connected. Now, if you want more details, I'll leave this link down for you below, and there's also a bunch of other links for crypto stocks, you know the drill. But let's get into their mining update. I think it's actually pretty great. So first off, for July, they mined a total of 384 Bitcoin, and since the beginning of the year they have mined a total of 2,247. So you'll see that their total Bitcoin holdings was 519 in July, and their total Bitcoin converted for operation and growth was 426 Bitcoin. So they did sell more Bitcoin than the previous month, which is quite interesting. And they do currently have a deployed fleet of about 30,450 Bitcoin miners with a total hash rate of 2.9 exahash. Remember, guys, by the end of the year they had a goal of 3 exahash. I believe they did raise that, and now we're on a goal of getting to 4 exahash. It's crazy how much this company continues to grow. But they did sell 426 Bitcoin at an average of 20,700 per Bitcoin, so a little lower than the current price, but we are very close to that price. And their total sales for that month was about 8.8 million. They did reach a daily high of 13.25, which is fantastic. But let me know down below, what do you guys think about Cleanspark's mining update? Are you impressed? Are you not impressed? Personally, I'm pretty happy with it. It shows that their hash rate continues to grow, but what I'm not happy with is when you look at every update, typically they're in the tens of millions in terms of selling Bitcoin, and now they're under 10 million. So it's definitely going to affect the earnings, and you all know that earnings is coming up. I've mentioned that before, and they're expecting a lower revenue than previously. So for that reason, I would personally hold through earnings, wait to see how earnings goes. But it could already be priced in. Earnings comes out, maybe even beats a little bit, and it starts rallying. But if you want to mitigate that risk, I would wait until after earnings, because I'm really not that optimistic this time for earnings. And I think it is one great buying opportunity, but you just got to be patient and let that earnings come out. So don't forget, guys, earnings is expected August 9th, and I will be covering it, so stick around. How do you feel about Cleanspark? How do you feel about stocks, crypto in general lately? And one thing I find really interesting is I just did this poll, only 25 votes, obviously, very small, but you'll see that, most people think we're going to go under 20,000. Most people think this is in fact a dead cat bounce. I personally don't think it's the case, but if we were to dip under 20,000, obvious buying opportunity in my eyes. Even at its current price, I think Bitcoin is a clear buy. And if you have patience, if you understand the halving cycles, if you understand how Bitcoin works every 4 years, how it plays in these cycles, just stay the course. This is how it's always been throughout each Bitcoin cycle. We're in that middle. You have to just wait a little bit longer. That Bitcoin halving hype comes up, and then Bitcoin's price skyrockets, creates new highs, and the cycle continues. And that is my expectation. The trend is your friend. But looking at this poll, it's pretty clear how mixed people are. Some people are unsure, they'd rather just DCA. Some people are pretty sure that it's actually going to go to under $10,000. I personally don't see it, but over 1/10 of people see Bitcoin coming up under 10. And we do have 28% saying we're in an uptrend heading to 30,000. So we definitely have a very mixed up sentiment here, but there are still a majority of people that believe Bitcoin will come up under 20,000. But let me know down below what you guys think. Where's Bitcoin heading? And for that matter, where's Cleanspark heading? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day, guys.